going to be a lot more hands-on today. I still feel like I'm doing a bit too much talking. I don't know whether that's what anybody is wanting to watch. So today's plan, second on the list, is the sill welding. So I'm not sure how good or bad I expect this to be. It's going to be the inner sills around the jacking points, but anyway, we'll get up. We've got the welder in place. The garage is a bit busier this weekend than last, but the stuff's in place. We'll get the car up in the air and see how we go. One of the problems that I have amazingly not covered yet is this carbon monoxide alarm. I think if a welder in here, I need to address this. So I'll try and show at the moment before the car's up just where we're at, but I don't know whether the camera will pick up so good just now, but it is quite clean under there, so I'm hoping there aren't many surprises. Coffee holder still in place from last week. So, underneath looking pretty clean, guys. Underneath to the bad bits. So, right guys, so it's the next day. That was a shift yesterday. Don't know if that came across in the video, but don't know whether I really touched on. I was extremely lucky, I think, with this car. So hope the camera picks up, but the sills are immaculate. just this one bit at the back, so like I say, we're at 90% complete. I won't show the full repair until it's done, but we've got away with doing quite a minimal job. I think a lot of people have been unlucky with this sort of thing in the past, and before you know it the whole still's out, but the paint is honestly like new. Up the front here as well, where you would expect it to be bad. I just hope the camera picks up. Paint is smooth under there, and that's the same right under. So I think we'll probably call it a day there. I was going to film this whole process, but I think we probably got the best of it yesterday, and it looks like it's just going to be very minimal repairs from here on in. I'll still film it, but I probably won't make it a full episode. We'll maybe blend it into something else. But got to say again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks if you're still here during this video up to now. I appreciate it, and please let me know if you like what I'm doing. If you do want to see a bit more of the fab work, then by all means I'll film it and maybe make it another episode. But if there's anything I can do to improve, please let me know, and thanks again.